Easy on the gas.
Have a tree down?
Yes, power lines still.
Oh my God.
Terrible. Terrible.
Drive safe. They got all the South Shore down too, out by Camp Gaywood.
Really?
All down. Trees down all over.
Oh, really? Yeah.
It's all closed.
Drive safe. Thank you. God bless.
I heard gay. Stop thinking of that.
What's Camp
Gay?
Does it sound like
There's
this?
a campground over there.
Gaywood?
I heard Camp Gaywood.
Is that the one Gook can go?
Camp Gaywood. I'd hate to think what happens there.
It is just coming.
Oh boy! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa! I guess a fire truck. Oh, shit. Well, I feel like a dumbass now.
Careful!
I thought it was a tour bus.
Yeah, me too.
Keep back 500 feet.
And 40. 540.
Hey Jim, you got the number of the ice cream lady?
I do, actually.
I bet you they're not there now. Call it. I will buy a fucking bomb pop right now.
Are you recording all this?
All right, it is July 1st.
Sir, have you been drinking tonight?
Nick,
You've been drinking tonight, sir? Hey, sir, do your job.
Dave, we need to put the reflective tape on the phone.
Nick, get in the light a little more.
That's the top.
Yeah, state trooper. We got lights coming here. Hey.
Oh shit, moving. No, I like to do it when they can see.